Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to draw factor tree of number 60. We will be using the prime factorization method for drawing factor tree for number 60. Prime factorization method is a method in which the factors are prime numbers. So we'll break down this number 60 into product of prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. I'm going to write first few prime numbers on the right hand side so that it is easy for us in our prime factorization method. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are first few prime numbers. So let's break down 60 and draw its factor tree. So we'll write 60 on top and we'll write the two factors of 60 in which one of the factors is a prime number. So we see that first prime number is 2. And 2 is a factor of 60. So we can break 60 into 2, and to find the other factor we are going to divide 60 by 2. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 0 is 0. So 2 times 30 is 60. The two factors of 60 are 2 and 30. And as 2 is a prime number, we are going to circle the prime number. Again we are going to break down 30 into two factors. We keep on breaking the numbers until we get all the prime numbers. So 30 is again even number. We can divide 30 by 2. So one of the numbers is 2 and 2 times 15 is 30. So our prime number here is 2. We are going to circle that. And we have 15 as the other number. Now we are going to break 15 into two numbers. We see that 2 is not a factor of 15. So we are going to try the other number, 3. Yeah, 3 is a factor of 15. 3 times 5 is 15. And now we see that 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. We are going to circle both the numbers. And our factor tree is complete as we got all the prime numbers. So now we can write the factors of 60 as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. All the circled prime numbers are the factors of 60. So this is one way of drawing factor tree of 60. We can draw more than one factor tree for the same number. Let us draw another factor tree for the same number 60. This time we are going to break 60 into two numbers such that one of the number is a prime number which is other than 2. So here we are going to use 3. 3 is also a factor of 60. So we can write 60 as the product of two factors, 3 and 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 0 is 0. So our prime number is 3. We are going to circle 3. And now we have 20. We are going to break down 20 into two numbers such that one of the numbers is a prime number. 2 is a factor of 20. 2 times 10 is 20. Circling the prime number, 10 can be written as the product of two prime numbers, which is 2 times 5 is 10. So now we got all the prime numbers in our lower level 2. We are going to stop here and our factor tree is complete. And we see that we got the same factors of 60, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So this is how we can draw more than one factor tree for the same number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.